Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. We can uninstall applications from this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the second way is to do it through the Huawei Health application. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the application. So to uninstall the applications directly on the watch, you need to wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button. Then you need to press the crown button again to open the menu. Now you need to find the icon of the application you want to uninstall, and then press and hold on it. You will see this pop-up with the bin icon, and you need to tap on this bin icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed. Then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. So that's how you uninstall the applications directly on the watch. To do it through the phone application, open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Tap on the devices icon, select your HUAWEI Watch D2 from the list of devices. Now scroll through this page and find the app gallery and tap on it. And here tap on Manager, then tap on Installation Manager. And right here we have the list of installed applications. Tap on the app you want to uninstall. Oh, you don't even need to tap on the app, my bad. You can tap on the uninstall button next to it. And then tap on yes, and the app will be removed after a second or two. And once it's gone, you can close the app. And that's how you uninstall applications on this or from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.